I don't want to settle for anything less than what Jesus has. I want to have the strength of Jesus. Jesus was never sick. When they gave him the beating, the worst of the beating, they still asked him to carry the cross. You don't know, the cross of Jesus weighs 3 bags of cement. Can you carry? While we are carrying cement here, some brothers will disappear because they don't have the strength to carry 1 bag of cement. Now, Jesus' cross weighs 150 kg. He was that strong, and we all should live as he lived. He has that strength, and that was why he could die for us. So, Mark showed him to us as a servant. You cannot be a servant when you are not strong. It takes a man of strength to serve. So you cannot be lazy and say, I'm a disciple. No. Then you will be a bastard. You need to appreciate the person of Jesus.